Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 apps to earn passive income fast. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a magic number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this first app and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm at the first app. The name of this app is Savvy Connect. Now, let's just read what it's all about. So, Savvy Connect is a small and secure application that connects anonymous data as you browse the web in exchange for cash. Installation is quick and easy and will become eligible for additional paid research opportunities. Install on all your devices to earn even more. So guys, all you have to do is download this app, install it onto your phone, and if you have like a tablet, you can install it on there too. And when you just surfing the internet and browsing the web, you're going to get paid. So it also says here, to use Savvy Connect, you must create a surveysavvy.com account and be 13 years of age or older. So all you got to do is just sign up with that account and download this app, and you're good to go. Now let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars is 3.5. I always say it needs to be 4.0, but sometimes some of these apps are just a little bit lower than 4.0 in the rating, but that doesn't mean it's not a good app. Now let's just look at one of the reviews here. So this person right here named Chris said, love this app. And for those saying it's a scam, I have been paid for having this run in my phone, no issues. So he's saying people that claim that this is a scam, that you don't get paid to just have this app run in the background, this person said he has got paid, it's work, it's not a scam. Alright, so to get started on this app, go ahead and go to the Google Play Store and look for Savvy Connect. Now let me go to the second app. Okay guys, I'm at the second app. The name of this app is Pure to Profit, Earn Money. So let's just read a little bit about it. So Pure to Profit application allows you to make money on the distribution of your unused internet connection. Share your Wi-Fi or mobile connection and get paid for every gigabyte of traffic. In order to start earning, just create a free account on our website and log into the application. Peer to Profit uses the connection to help companies and individuals around the world access the internet. So guys, on this one, all you have to do is download the app, and people are going to be sharing your internet connection. Now, none of your information is not going to be shared, so you don't have to worry about that. This is perfectly safe and secure, guys. Now, let's see what else it says on here. It says the amount of money you can make by sharing your connection depends on your location and the amount of traffic you transfer. The longer our application will work on your device and the more demand your location is. So, the more that you use your phone, the more money you can make, because as long as you have your phone, you're on your phone, using this application, people are going to be using the internet and you're going to get paid. And here's another way you can get paid. So they have a referral program and you're going to get 50% of the income of your friends. So when you refer this app to your friends and they use it, you're going to get 50% of the income that they make. All right, let's look at the rating here. So out of 5 stars is 3.8. Now I know that's also under 4, but don't worry about that, guys. It's still a good app. Now let's just look at one review here right quick. So this person right here says the fastest earning app if you have referrals, pays out quicker than the rest, and it's hassle free. So they said that the referrals pay off real quick. So it'd be real good, guys, if you get a lot of referrals, you get your money real quick on this app. So to get started with this app, go ahead and go to Peer to Profit, Earn Money in the Google Play Store. Now let me go to the last app. Okay, guys, I'm at the last app, and the name of this app is Current.us. Now I have talked about this app several times before in the past, but I want to bring it up today because it's a good app to use to get passive income. So with this app, you're going to be making money listening to music. So if you're running, working, or commuting, you can get paid, because we listen to music all the time, so might as well get paid to do it. Now this app is available on the App Store and the Google Play Store. Now let's just read a little bit about it right quick. So you earn points when you listen to music, and you can search and play from 100,000 radio stations, and you earn points by playing your favorite music, and spend your points on your favorite brands. Now here's some of the questions that people was asking. So how do we earn? So the more you play, the more you earn. Everyone who signs up can play curated radio stations in Current and earn in-app points called points. During the media playback, you'll encounter several opportunities to generate points. We're constantly adding more ways to earn, so look out for the important updates. Now, how do you earn more per play? So with every tap of the play button, you can earn points. The speed at which you earn is based on how much of your profile has been completed and how long you are consuming. So make sure you complete your old profile so you can get paid. So that's all I'm going to say about this app, guys. It's a very good app. It's been around for a while, and you can make passive income real fast with this app. So go ahead and go to current.us to get started. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about any of these apps. And please share this everywhere, because I really want to help everybody. I mean everybody I can, to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys. Thank you. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. Hope this video brought some value to you and you can start making this money Road to 8,000. Let's go. Let's get it. And make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.